Hello everyone, what's going on? We are going to talk about letters, alphabet. Repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. In America, Z. Vowels: A, E, I, O, U, sometimes Y. These are the vowels. Next, we are going to talk about consonants. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Z. Okay, these are the consonants. In English, there are capital letters and small letters. These are also called uppercase and lowercase. Names begin with capital letters, the other letters are small. For example, my first name is Aynazik. Capital A, small I, small n, small a, small z, small I, small k. Let's practice. What's your first name? Spell your first name and write it down, please. Goodbye.